Welcome in my English Happy Learning classes. In today's we will do adjectives. And see, in adjectives we have earlier done kinds of adjectives. So today we will proceed adjectives and we will do distributive adjective. So what is distributive adjective? Distributive adjective refers to each one of number. Okay. So each one of number, that means it will just say for everyone. The word stands for everyone. Like examples I have written, every child must be sent to school. Every child must be sent to school. Look at this. Every child must be sent to school. Next is, nobody responded to my question. Nobody responded to my question. Next, each student was asked to participate in a school activity. Each student was asked to participate in school activity. Neither statement was true. Neither statement was true. That means no, not a single statement was true. So that means it is just referring to every statement. Either way was safe. Either way was safe. So these are the adjectives, distributive adjectives. So every, nobody, each, either, neither, these all are distributive adjectives. And read the question again and again. And when you will read each and every question 3-4 times, then you can be able to understand the question and understand this one, law, distributive adjectives, and you can just recognize the words for distributive adjective. After this, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives, they are used to point out some noun, right? So demonstration means they are just pointing to someone, like these toys need to be washed. These toys need to be washed. Look here. These toys need to be washed. So, these toys. Then such students fame their school. Such students fame their school. This tree is very big and shady. This tree is very big and shady. A certain girl was very kind. A certain girl was very kind. So we are pointing to girl. We are pointing to tree. We are pointing to students. Here we are pointing to toys. These toys need to be washed. An old lady lived on a yonder hill. An old lady lived on a yonder hill. Yonder. Yonder means those hills. Such people spread happiness in society. So such people. We are pointing to such people. Such people spread happiness in society. So, as I have said, read question again and again and think in your mind. If you will read these questions 4-5 times, then you will be surely clear about the demonstrative adjectives. And see, demonstrative adjectives are different from demonstrative pronoun. Okay? So in demonstrative adjective, we always put that adjective before a noun, generally. These toys, such a student, this tree, certain girl, yonder hill, look at here, yonder hill, and this such people. So here, with every word, there is a noun. So when adjective and noun are together, that means this is demonstrative adjective. And in pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, we will do later on. So these toys need to be washed. Such students fame their school. This tree is very big and shady. You can learn these sentences also. A certain girl was very kind. An old lady lived on a yonder hill. Such people spread happiness in society. So read these sentences again and again and try to make more sentences like this. If you will make sentences yourself, you will feel good, confident and happy. Right? So see you next class and please like, share, subscribe this channel so that more and more videos can come to you and you will be good in English. If you will be good in one subject, it will also just give impact on other subjects also. So keep learning and keep revising. Have a very good day.